CCP! Down, down, CCP! Down, CCP!
Stop genocide!
Human rights!
We want human rights!
We want human rights! We want freedom!
We want freedom!
Because you share this very same experience, we must.
We're here because of the International Human Rights Day. We're Chinese, standing with Hong Kongers, Tibetans, Uyghurs, workers, women, and everyone who has been oppressed. Like, we also wanted to say that we wanted to stand with Iranians and Ukrainians, and I think we will have an Iranian speaker today. So we're here to voice up for those people who have been oppressed.
And free China! Free China! Free China! Free China!
CCP is trying to eliminate the ethnic self-identification of
But we have to do something to speak our voice, to let the world hear us. That's like the very first step, and that's what we do now. I don't know how the future gonna be, but if we don't start, we'll never success. But if we start, there may be some hope, maybe some future.